Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how we can buy a dog's coin on ByBit exchange. This tutorial will be quick and simple, so make sure to subscribe to this channel and also check out my ByBit link in the description for you to get some bonus if you sign up through me. Now you want to go ahead and scroll down. When you are here on your ByBit, you will see your dogs USDT trading competition here. You can check that out. And there's also another one, European communities. I believe if you are from Europe, you can go ahead and try to earn some dogs here. Now to just buy it, you want to go ahead to your spot. There's a few options, of course, how you can buy it, but you can go ahead on trade option. And you can just go ahead here on the spot and try to find dogs. Choose an option, for example, dogs USDT. And from here, you're going to enter the quantity you want to buy and click buy dogs. After that, you will see it on your assets right here. Another way would be to go ahead and deposit it from some other wallet. So deposit crypto would be the option. And also there's an option to buy it with your currency or with P2P trading. So if you would click buy with your currency, and after that you want to enter the amount, how much you want to go ahead and spend. And from here, of course, you need to go ahead and choose dogs. So for example, for that much, you receive 10,000 dogs, and then you're gonna click next. Select the payment methods. It can be Apple Pay, bank card, or a euros or some USD, for example, balance. And after that, you will see your dogs again on your assets. So these are the ways how you can go ahead and buy the dogs. If this video was helpful, guys, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.